Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Astro Pankaj Seth. I am Astro Pankaj Seth and today our topic is Mars and Ketu conjunction. Last day we learnt about Mars and Rahu conjunction. So in the next step we learnt about Mars and Ketu conjunction. Mars and Ketu may be friend for each others. Why? Because Ketu is known as the Kuja Sambad. Means Ketu is just like the Mars. So Mars and Ketu conjunction is indicating that it is a double Mars. Means Mars and Ketu both energy will be or both significant will be improved. So we can say that whenever the Mars and Ketu conjuncted in a chart, then native may be very energetic. He may be very aggressive in natures. Mars is the karak of aggression, and due to the Ketu his aggression will be improved. Sometimes due to his aggressions he may take wrong decisions, and due to this it may has negative impact on native's life. Mars is a karak of braveness and it is with the Ketu. So we can say that native may be very brave person. He may be adventurous by the natures. He can fight with anybody without thinking a little bit. If you ask for the fight, he just ready for the fight. So do not challenge a person who have a Mars and Ketu in their charts. He will be very gambling in natures due to his risk taking ability, because he can take any sort of risk. So he has a gambling natures. Profit via the gambling or not getting the profit via the gambling or speculations will be depends on the chart. Either Mars or Ketu is well placed or not well placed. Mars and Ketu conjunction gives the excess ego or excess proudness to the natives. In a Hindi a word is aham. So native has very big aham. He is thinking that what I am nobody in just like me on front of me. मीन्स जैसा मैं हूँ वैसा कोई नहीं है और मेरे सामने कोई टिक नहीं सकता. ही हैज ए ह्यूज अहम इन देयर लाइफ. ही विल ट्राई टू शो हिज पावर टू एनीबडी. Even he has such level of power or not, but he will be try to show their power. Means he will show his false power. Sometimes due to the luck this will be work, or sometimes or in the practicals many times it doesn't be work. But when he are actually decided to show his power to anybody, then he can do this. Means he can show his power, either he has or not, but due to the any sort of ways, either hook or crook, he will show his power. So he doesn't have a power, he has a false power. He will show his false power. But if you challenge them to show their power, then definitely he will show their power, either by hook or crook. Means he has a challenge taking ability. If anybody challenge him by any ways, then he will do this. Native may be very angry young man. Native may be natural fighter. If anybody hurt him, then he will be violent by the natures. He has a very bad revenge taker. means he doesn't forget on loss. If you hurt him, then he definitely take revenge, either same time or either 1 month after 1 month, or even after 30 months, or even after many sort of years. He will be ready to take the revenge. Means he doesn't forget his enemies. Native may be short tempered, he may be suffering from the blood pressures, his body has excess heat. Why? Because Mars and Ketu both are the fiery elements, so his body has excess heat. He may be suffering from the skin rashes, he may be facing cuts, accidents or surgery. He may has lack of hemoglobin and he has danger from the fire. Mars is the younger siblings. Ketu is the natural karak of detachment. So whenever the Mars and Ketu is associated in the charts, then native may have detached with his younger brothers, or brother may be suffering from the health related issues or wealth related issues. Even native and his brother doesn't have a good relationship. Ketu is known as the maternal grandfather and Ketu is with the Mars. So we can say that his maternal grandfather may be powerful person. He has a bold and straightforward attitudes. In a female chart, Mars is a husband and it is associated with the Ketu. So, in the general ways, Mars and Ketu conjunction is not considered good in a female chart. It may cause for the separation or divorce with the husband, or even the some sort of loss of husband or health related issues of the husband, accident of the husband, any sort of negative results will be possible. Apart from this, native's husband may be spiritual by nature. His husband does not interested in the materialistic world, but his husband may has good name and fame. Now our Mars series will be finished. From the next day we will start the Mercury series and we will learn about the effect of Mercury and Jupiter conjunction, because before the Mercury Sun conjunction, Mercury Moon conjunction and Mercury Mars conjunction is covered in previous conjunction series. So from the tomorrow we will start Mercury series, and tomorrow series is Mercury and Jupiter conjunction. Thank you for your watching, and please subscribe my channel so I can make more and more videos for you. In place of watching my videos, you can also visit my site astropankajseth.com, astropankajseth.co.in, ganeshmitra.com and hindi.astropankajseth.co.in. Again, thanks for your watching.